Now, India has recorded nearly 98,000 new coronavirus infections in the last 24 hours. That's a new world record. Infections are rising across the country faster than anywhere else in the world. Despite that, getting people to wear masks in public is still a problem, as Neha Punia reports.
Rehan Khan runs a small meat shop in Mumbai, and for weeks now he hasn't worn a mask. He employs 10 people and none of them wear masks either. Rehan says because of COVID-19 his business is failing and he barely makes $30 a day.
2000 के धंधे में हम क्या पगार निकालेंगे, क्या मास्क लाएंगे, क्या भाड़ा देंगे दुकान का, कहाँ से करेंगे इतना सब अरेंजमेंट। वैसे भी इतना परेशान हो गए लॉकडाउन में, खाना पीना भी मुश्किल से ही चला है हम लोग का सबका। 10 जन का पगार देना, उनका खर्चा उठाना बहुत मुश्किल काम है।
Like Rehan, thousands of Indians are no longer wearing masks. Those who do wear masks either do it reluctantly or even incorrectly, while social distancing norms are rarely being followed.
We all know it's not that comfortable wearing masks every day in every situation and every moment.
We don't have that much money with us. So it's very unfair. If government is providing a mask and sanitizer, that it will be okay for me and it will be good for me. That from that I will use masks and sanitizer every day.
If 10 लोग हैं तो 10 लोग मास्क परचेज कर सकते हैं, इनकी कैपेसिटी है क्या स्लम में जाकर देख लीजिए आप लोग। तो ये सब गवर्नमेंट को सोचना भी चाहिए।
Wearing of masks in public is mandatory in India, as is safe distancing. And the task of enforcing these rules falls on local police. As COVID-19 cases soar, more officials are now being deployed in the national capital. These teams penalize those not wearing masks and violating safe distancing norms. In the last 2 months, more than 200,000 people across Delhi have been fined. But the penalty for these violations is a paltry $7, and experts say it's not enough of a deterrent. It's also not possible for police teams to be everywhere all the time. In this locality, for example, there are no officials implementing COVID-19 rules, and as a result, most people aren't being as vigilant. The easing of lockdown restrictions across India has been blamed for rising complacency.
How long you have to keep doing this? They didn't prepare the population for that. Some sort of messaging and linking that not wearing mask might lead to more cases. That sort of linkages the government needs to do.
The government continues to maintain that increased testing is responsible for the surge in cases, but serological surveys done in Delhi and Mumbai show that the outbreak is much larger than government data shows. The research found that 20 to 50% of the population in these cities already had COVID-19. Though there are still no signs that India is flattening the curve, getting citizens to protect themselves remains the biggest challenge for the country. Neha Punia, CNA, New Delhi.